App and you will find in Docker. So it's like that vast. And rest all the slides are marketing strategies of Docker. We will not go into that. Now I will show you some links. So first is how to install Dockers. There are two variations. Most of us are having Windows 10 nowadays, but in case you are not having Windows 10, then also you can install Docker. Just one thing that you have to keep in mind, that your hardware is 64-bit. The chip that you are using is 64-bit. Then you can run Windows 7, and you can have Windows 7 and you can install Docker, but it's a 64-bit architecture. Docker is not built for 32 bits. So that's the only challenge you have. Then the simple link that we start, how to is a very good keyword in Google. So we start every search with how to, then how to install Docker on Windows. And then you come up with all this good links and suggestions. So you can read through it and you can install it. So it's a very easy installation, but it comes with a tweak. So when you first run, you will have to troubleshoot a lot of things, which is also mentioned here. So this page contains, is a Docker page. It contains everything that you need. Then I will take you through the Docker Hub. You can have a login here. It's very easy. I have probably logged in. Yes. So in my repository, I have cleared all the repository. I have just kept one. So this was 2 years ago updated. There were many other files which I don't want to display. So I have deleted all of them right now. So this is my image that I have published here. If you go to the explore section of it, you see this is what Docker has in. So let's say Docker has an Oracle database engine as an image here. It is uploaded by Oracle themselves, okay, 3 years ago. So everybody is computing to this pool, like it's like a Google Play Store where everybody, Google, Adobe, everybody put their apps there for us for free. Here also in Docker Hub, everybody is contributing their images. What are these images is actually the runtime instances. Let's say you have packaged your code in a Docker image file, and you have informed that I need the Oracle 12c as a dependency to run my code. So you mention in the Docker file that I need this version, okay, and of 12c, and this is my database. This should be my database login credentials, username, password. This should be my URL. Actually, you don't need to specify the URL even. It's automatically generated. And you just specify the username and password. And these are my startup scripts. Create this many tables in Oracle for me and put in this table this amount of startup data or the configuration data. Okay, so then Docker will do it. So you don't need to package Oracle and give. Oracle already has. So now you see there is Java. Also their WebLogic server is there, MySQL server is there. So all of these are already present as a dependency or as a third party in just like Google Play Store India. You just have to put your code, mention that you have been using this software in your local in the file, and they will figure out the version from here, and they will, and when you run this Docker file, the deployment team from this hub will check that your Docker file is compliant, and it has your code, and it has you have mentioned that you need Oracle this version, and then it will automatically run. It's very simple. So I'm taking this call from my office laptop, so I have not installed here Docker because it is available in a VDI system. It's a virtual desktop for me. But what I can do, I have a play online Docker. So this play with Docker, this is very helpful. I can give the link to Shomo later, so he can circulate this to you. So once you log in, you can sign here, and after signing you get this. This is a live console, like live Oracle console. You can have this live console where you can do a runtime. So this is a session that is started, 4-hour session they give for free, and you can start by clicking an instance. So they open this live console for you. So we can do with some commands here. So first basic command that we always check in anything is the version. So you have Docker version 19 installed here, which is good. I am using currently 19.01, but it is little bit updated. 19.03. Okay. Now here, what I can show you is a simple file that I had. So the hello world, which is a very common one. Hello world is actually an image which is present in the Docker hub. Somebody has put a code, actually Docker has put a code, and they have put it inside this hello world. So what we can do, we can test the hello world part of it. So to do that, we use Docker pull. I think it should be, the name should be hello world. So it has when I write, so these are simple commands. It starts with Docker as a keyword to identify that I am not writing any Windows command. I'm starting the Docker client, or I'm starting a Docker command.